So, my friends, it is moving day, and today is the day. Today is the day. Start of a new page. Florida, here we come. Oh man. My friends, I will keep you posted as the move ensues.
Someone else. Oh yeah, will your soul ever be ready?
Okay, my friends, the time has come where this home now looks like a blank slate. A blank slate. Pardon me. It's been a very long day packing. Everything is cleaned out. Everything is packed and ready to go. Walls are left in perfect shape, with the exception of a spot that I'll show you. They goofed by the movers. Empty. Ready for a new chapter. I hope the new owners love this house as much as I do and take care of it. Okay, that's what I was talking about here. About the goof. I tried to patch the wall myself, but it didn't work out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I did a very poor job patching the wall. So on Saturday, I had the realtor made arrangement to have a home handyman come over and really complete the job in a professional way. Empty. Empty. Once master. Our primary to be PC, it is now known. Cutting out the master. Now, why I'm saying this? As a former realtor and a future realtor, I have to be mindful of the lingo that I will start using. Starts a little bit dark. Oops, I leave my hangers. Oh well. Oh, let's see. I'm glad I came back. Empty and left in tip-top shape. And so, my friends, this address will be no more. It's now into another hands, or other hands rather. And I am moving on to a new location. Florida. Here I come. Good morning, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is day 2 of my travel from Las Vegas to Orlando, Florida. Today I'm tempted to drive to Texas. The plan is to stay at the Texan, Gaylord Texan, Lake Grapevine. Here I am. Let the adventure begin. I don't think anyone is inside of me. Keep it careful with legs. Traveling bump. But I can't wait to get home. Thanks for coming along with me. Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Rainy, 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 rainy here in Louisiana. Of course, I'm not in the bayou. But I am on, finally, my final leg to Florida. Based on the time projection, I should arrive in Florida approximately 7 p.m. From this location that I am right now in Shreveport. It was raining cats and dogs along the way. I attempted to take some pictures. I don't have a dash cam or a GoPro, just my camera. It was too dangerous to take any chance of showing you scene along the way. But there'll be plenty of time for that. Last night I stopped in Dallas. Road under construction. Lots of reconfiguration of traffic since the last time I was living there. Missed my turn and got stuck in traffic for about 2.5 hours. So my intent was to stay at the Gaylord Texan and Lake Grapevine. I said, forget about it. That would have been a beauty. As you know, the Gaylord properties
major convention facilities from Texas to Gaylord Farm in Florida to Tennessee. They have the best atrium you can find anywhere. And especially this time of year, beautiful decor and Christmas lights featured. Anyway, my friends, I'm on the way, safely so. Should be in Florida by 7 p.m. Thanks for coming along with me to making any move. A new chapter, transition, almost completed. Hello there, friends. After a long and exhausting 3 days, I finally made it to Orlando, Florida. Safe at my destination, at least for the next 2 days. Not yet quite home. In a couple of days, I will be closing on my new home. So for now, it's just hanging out time. It was a very, very, very long trip. And I have a new sense of appreciation for all the truckers that deliver our food and merchandise across this country. They deserve every bit of praise. Mine was just, 2,300 miles. I do it over 3 days. Just come to think of what they go through as their actual profession, driving these long miles. So I have a new sense of appreciation for truckers all around the United States. You guys are well worth the praise. It was a very, very, very long trip, over 3 days. But thankfully, I am here. I was in the best hand, the man above. And for that I give thanks. So now, after all that, I am starving. And I have my mask, by the way. Never forget your mask, at least until you get the needle in your arm. I heed that every day. But anyway, my friends, for now, I'm gonna grab a quick bite and start the day of relaxation. So my friends, my first bite tonight here in Orlando is at the top total. I am not having tapas, but I'm having a very good glass of Spanish wine, the Jean de Leon, and the Cabernet, and another salmon dish. Now this is 3 days in a row that I'm eating salmon, but after those long hours in the car, I had to have something nutritious, and tonight is no different. But my friends, let me take my mask off. And by the way, I'm sitting outside. Knowing that Florida is a hotbed of you know what, I'll be very careful. Finally, transition is almost completed. My friends, while I'm here, first I must say thank you for coming along the journey with me. And while I'm here, I call it a new beginning. A new door has opened. Love Sin City. I will miss Sin City, as a matter of fact. But I'm very close to the happiest place on earth. So I don't know how you can trade. I don't know how you can pick. Of course, Las Vegas is always a place of fun and when you have the impulse to do things, everything is open. Here is a little different story. The first restaurant I went to looks very promising, but closed at 9. So I had to settle for Tapatora, which is fine. At least there's a choice. The area that I'm sitting in appears to be like I would describe it as a district entertainment complex with shops and the restaurant throughout. Look like mainly shops though. I'm sorry, look like mainly restaurants though. So I'm in luck. I believe it is now 9:15 p.m. 9:46 p.m. Things are hopping, so that gives me hope. Oh, my friends, thanks again for coming along with me. So, my friends, cheers to you. This is the first glass. Oh man, that was a long trip. Did I say that? I may repeat this. I may have to repeat this over and over again. But this is my first glass of wine since arriving. Mind you, I arrived just about an hour ago. So this glass is probably the best glass I've had will have in a while. I'll cherish this glass. I arrived at my destination safely. And as I mentioned earlier, time for a new adventure. Before I take a sip, you get a first sip. Cheers. So my friends, as you can see, I'm very hungry. I've been eating salmon all day. So I decided to venture out. And they have a bruschetta, only this time with cured meat and the cheese. So, before I dig in, you get the first bite. Just what the doctor ordered. After a long trip. At this juncture, I would eat an alligator. Or crocodile, for the matter. Delicious. So my friends, the entree is here. My salmon. Presentation is not as impressive, but I hope the flavor speaks more than the presentation. I'm going to dig into it and let's analyze it. The appetizer was good,
but a little too heavy for me. I'm not a big meat eater, as you know. But tonight, like I said, for this trip, I could eat a cow. All right, so let's see. Before I take a bite, you get the first bite. Okay, I think the flavor is better than the presentation. Let's take one more bite. It is good. So the taste will compensate for the presentation. For me, as a foodie, and someone who has enjoyed food all their life, who worked with food all their life, it's important to meet the eyes. This did not meet the eyes, but the taste is absolutely fantastic. Yummy. Really, really good. So my friends, I'm at the end of dinner. Dinner was absolutely delicious. It did not meet the eye. The service was grand. Met Jesus. It's raining right now as we speak. And you know, there's nothing better than treating individual with respect. Doesn't matter where you go. Jesus, my server, noticed that it's raining, and I explained that I have to walk back to my hotel. And out of nowhere came an umbrella. He found it in the back somewhere, and I become the beneficiary. So this is really a great lesson. You know, be nice to each other, be nice to one another, because you'll find a friend just about anywhere. The world may appear grand, but it's as small as the friends you met within your journey. So my friends, as I mentioned, dinner was excellent. Thanks for coming along with me. Like I said, it did not meet the eye, but it did meet the stomach. Presentation was could be, have a lot more to be desired, but at the same time, the flavor was just right. Again, thanks for coming along with me. This is Jamaican in the Move, saying one love, peace, love you, my friends. My first day in Orlando, and many, many days and years to come. There would be a lot to show. Love you, my friends.